So welcome back to EBC's Ultimate Fiesta build. This is episode 7. The car's now back from Puma Speed and the dyno, and it is running really well. So we thought we'd take the time today to address the chassis and the handling aspects of the vehicle. So today we'll be fitting a PowerFlex handling pack, IBAC anti-roll bars front and rear, KW St Xt8 Coilovers. So let's take a closer look at these products. Used by Ken Block on his very own Fiesta Rallycross car, ST Suspension's Xt8 Coilovers are the range-topping products from this company. Made by KW, they use KW's very own dampers as well as racing springs with fully adjustable height and dampening options for the perfect setup. Once set up, they should be the perfect complement for our Fiesta on road and track. Another really nice touch for this build from ST is that they've customised the springs for us on the coilovers. The front and rear anti-roll bar kit from IBAC will massively help with reducing body roll within the car. Combining the cornering spring rate with the rigidity of the anti-roll bars, the result is a reduced load difference between the inner and the outer wheels, meaning that the car really will feel like it's handling on rails. PowerFlex's handling pack features a range of uprated poly bushes to further tighten up the chassis. We're installing front wishbone bushes, front arm bushes and rear beam to chassis bushes to improve handling and increase the rigidity throughout the car. Right, so that was a little overview on all of these products. It looks like we've got a lot to do, so let's get to it. Right, so that's the PowerFlex rear beam to chassis bushes replaced. While we're at the back of the car, we thought we'd replace the coilovers with these ST shocks and springs and fit our IBAC anti-roll bar. Right, so that's everything done at the rear of the vehicle. We actually just removed the front wishbones to replace the bushes with the PowerFlex bushes. On further inspection, the ball joints aren't in the greatest of conditions, so we're going to replace both wishbones. We're going to take them over to our press shop now to have the bushes fitted. After that, we just need to drop the subframe to fit the IBAC anti-roll bars and fit the new ST suspension. That's it, the new PowerFlex bushes have been installed, the wishbones are back on, the new anti-roll bar from IBAC has been fitted and the subframe is back up. So the last piece of the puzzle is to fit these lovely coilovers from ST. Let's get to it. Hello? Yeah, that's great, send them over. So it looks like our friend James from the Performance Company has brought over some more goodies for the Fiesta. Let's see what he's got.
I'm James from the Performance Company, and down here at EBC Head Office, Centre of Excellence. We've supplied a number of bits for the Fiesta already, but we thought we'd come down with ultra racing suspension parts. That's a front upper strut brace and a rear strengthening beam. So let's go get them fitted.
Right, so that's it for today. We've got all of our suspension components fitted. That includes our IBAC anti-roll bars, our PowerFlex bushes, our St Xt8 suspension and our ultra racing strut braces. The car's actually booked in next week to go to Yanamais for a wrap, and then it's going to go off, have a wheel alignment and setup, and then we'll see you at the track. Thank you for watching.